The F-18 Hornet was developed as the first all-weather fighter and attack aircraft for the United States military. It had the ability to perform various strike applications, including interdiction and close air support, without compromising its fighter capabilities. Throughout the years, this platform has undergone steady improvements. In 1999, the F-18E Super Hornet was introduced as a replacement for the F-14 Tomcat in the U.S. Navy. The F-14 Tomcat, a twin-engine, two-seat fighter aircraft, served in the Navy from the 1970s until its retirement in 2006, primarily for air superiority and fleet defense missions. The F-18E Super Hornet, an upgraded version of the F-18 model, was highly versatile and capable across a wide range of missions. It could perform roles such as air superiority, fighter escort, reconnaissance, aerial refueling, air defense suppression, and day-night precision strikes. Currently manufactured by Boeing following its merger with McDonnell Douglas in 1997, the Super Hornet is available in two distinct versions, capable of producing a combined thrust of 44,000 pounds. To enhance engine airflow, the air inlets have been enlarged. When the afterburner is engaged, the engines can achieve a maximum speed exceeding Mach 1.8. The F-18E made its debut in operational use with Strike Fighter Squadron 115, also known as the Eagles, aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln on July 24, 2002. It didn't take long for the aircraft to see its first combat action on November 6 of the same year, when the squadron participated in enforcing a no-fly zone in Iraq. In March 2003, the F-18E was deployed as part of Operation Iraqi Freedom. Throughout its service, this aircraft has proven its capability, reliability, and versatility. As a multi-role attack aircraft, the Super Hornet can effectively carry out various missions by utilizing different external equipment. The Super Hornet is an exceptional aircraft with advanced networking capabilities that enable it to carry out specific missions effectively. This makes it a valuable asset when deployed to address the challenges faced by carriers. One of the reasons behind its versatility is its impressive armament capabilities. With a total of 11 weapon stations, including 2 wing store stations, this fighter jet can accommodate a wide range of armaments to fulfill different mission requirements. Apart from its external armament, the Super Hornet is equipped with an internal weapon that delivers a powerful impact. The GEM-61 A220mm Gatling-style gun is a hydraulically driven 6-barreled rotary action weapon that utilizes electric firing to unleash devastating firepower at a selectable rate of either 4,000 or 6,000 RPM. This high rate of fire allows the gun to swiftly engage targets at close range, making it an indispensable tool for close air support and air-to-air combat situations. The initial Block 3 aircraft introduced numerous advancements. One of the notable features was an advanced cockpit system equipped with a 10 by 19-inch touchscreen functioning like a large tablet. This innovative system replaced traditional cockpit buttons and knobs, allowing pilots to track and target multiple long-range objects with enhanced precision. Additionally, the aircraft incorporated the distributed targeting processor networked an open architecture system that provided the mission computer with increased processing power and networking capability. The tactical targeting network technology data link was also integrated into these aircraft. Moreover, the Block 3 Super Hornets were designed with specific features to minimize their radar signature. Furthermore, this program included 2 additional updates that were previously planned for future Navy Super Hornets. These updates encompassed an improved satellite communications SATCOM system and the integration of a podded infrared search and track system. The Navy is prioritizing the extension of the airframe life of the Super Hornet. Due to heavy usage in conflicts over the past 2 decades, many Super Hornets have worn out and have little useful life remaining, resulting in lower readiness rates. To address this issue, new build Block 3 Super Hornets will have an airframe service life of 10,000 hours, while Block 2 Super Hornets receiving Block 3 modifications will get an additional 4,000 hours of service life per jet. Although the Block 3 Super Hornet was originally set to feature shoulder-mounted conformal fuel tanks, this option has been dropped. Nonetheless, the hardware upgrades are complete. Jen Thibault, Boeing's Vice President of F-18 and A-18E programs, emphasized the utilization of open hardware, software, and app development to ensure Block 3 stays ahead of potential threats. In the recent press release announcing the delivery of the first upgraded jets, she highlighted the company's commitment to equipping Navy pilots with the necessary tools for quick and well-informed decision-making, both presently and in the times to come. The Navy has recently begun the process of developing its first new carrier-based fighter in almost 2 decades. After years of delays, a new program office has been established and initial talks with industry have taken place. This multi-billion-dollar endeavor aims to replace the Super Hornet and enhance the capabilities of the carrier air wing, ensuring the Navy's nuclear-powered aircraft carriers remain relevant well into the future. James Gertz, the Navy's acquisition chief, informed reporters that a program office has been established for the Next Generation Air Dominance Initiative. Gertz mentioned that they are currently working on outlining the program and its acquisition approach. The creation of the NGAD Program Office by Naval Air Systems Command aligns with the Pentagon's efforts to address Russian and Chinese threats in the Indo-Pacific theater, despite budget constraints. To commence the NGAD initiative, the Navy officially established the Next Generation Air Dominance Program Office, known as PMA 230, in May. Captain Al Mosso was initially appointed as the program manager, but he has since retired and been replaced by Captain John Dougherty. Despite the transition towards a new fighter aircraft, the Super Hornet will maintain its crucial role in the Navy's operations for the foreseeable future. The F-18EF will continue to serve as the primary striking force from U.S. carriers for the next 10 years, providing a flexible and dependable platform for various missions.